Check it out. We're going to Auto Despair. We're coming into the Auto Despair shop. Pretty excited.
Hey! The machine made us this way! Help! Help us! Look at me! Hey!
That's awesome.
Away from the truck!
I need to donate some blood! We've been having it all!
Hurry up! Hurry!
Oil!
I guess we'll find out.
Roadkill! Oh, you look fresh! Come on, just a bite!
Oil! Give me parts! Give me oil!
That one was awesome. It's funny because the one in that before, it was called like the Garden of Evil. It was probably one of my least favorites, and that is definitely up there with one of my top ones.
It did not feel too long, like the night one. It just
Yeah, and there was just action in every corner of that one. Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walkthroughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.